Okay, so I'm here working on a 1980 XR80, and I'm working on got to rebuild the front forks, and they're being really stubborn, kind of hard to take apart. These seals weren't coming out, and what you need to do is there should be a C-clip inside of here, one of these guys, and of course a washer just below that. That's what holds the seal in place, and there should be a dust cover, so you got to take the dust cover off first, the C-clip off, and then this little washer, and then that should allow you to see the seal inside. And once you do that, you need to drain all the fork oil, and when you drain all the fork oil, and it should just come, oh, and there should be one screw back inside underneath here. Should be, let's see, got the other one right here. You can see there's a screw in the bottom. Need to remove that as well. That helps with this method. It allows the airflow and the oil to not get in the way of removing this. I guess it's called the leg. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. Anyhow, after you do that, I'll show you what you gotta do next. Okay. All right. Once you got that screw out the bottom and you got that clip out the top, pretty much what I just do is I try and compress the spring down as much as I can and just let it pop up. And the less oil you have in your forks, the better this is going to work. Try to pump it a few times, get some more oil out. Looks like I still got a little bit too much oil in here. See if I can get some of that out. Alright, and another thing that you may need to do is heat right around where the seal is at. That kind of helps loosen it up a little bit. There it went, just like that. Just like that. And then that'll allow me to replace my fork seal. Pretty easy. There you go. It's just one little trick to do it. Just make sure you heat that up right there. Definitely helps. You can kind of see where it's got a lot of oh, there we go, a lot of corrosion on it. Just kind of makes it just that much more difficult to pull it back out. But anyways, there you go.